film it, dude.
I am.
Tell me when to go.
You can go.
I'm Matthew Smith, and look what I got on my hand. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at that thing.
It's a Pennsylvania native butterfly. Dang, dude, I can't believe you staying put that long.
It's so beautiful. See, now this is one of the things where you just have to, respect nature. Because you gotta respect things like this. They're so beautiful and stuff. Not many butterflies will land on your hand like this. I don't know why he's landing on my hand.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But he's awesome. I'm Matthew Smith, and this is awesome.